One of the big advantages of using a web application over hard coding actual items is you can allow users to do a search, right? They can actually query items in the database that would result in something else. It's really nice that this actually exists, and you're probably already very familiar with doing searches. I mean, if you go to the majority of sites that you use now, they have some sort of search. There's a chance that there's things that are missing in these searches, and sometimes they're more robust than others. For example, this is a pretty robust search query. I want a hat. Now, we're not going to build something this complex because this could take into account a lot of different other technologies that take some specialization to get in there, such as understanding natural language processing and machine learning to really get what this intent is. But we're lucky because the majority of our users in this day and age, as we are right now, this will probably change in the future, but as we are right now, most people are not going to write out, I want a hat. Instead, what they'll do is write out hat, and that will be the search they'll actually do. Or they'll write out t-shirt, or perhaps, black, like the color, or red, or something like that. And those are really much more aligned to what they'll end up doing. I mean, they might do something like red hat. That is a more complex search than just hat. So we're going to start off with the very simple search, and then we will allow more complex searches to happen on some scale. Not the one where it's I want a hat, but something like red hat, and understanding how to do that sort of search as well. Now, this is going to mean that we might have to change how our models work, which we're actually not going to do in this component, but we will talk about how this query will work as well. So without further ado, let's actually go ahead and get started.